Hello, welcome back to the brand new session. In this session, we will discuss how to download VMware and how to install it. But before we go ahead, we need to understand what exactly is VMware. So guys, VMware, it is an organization, and VMware Workstation Pro, it is a tool, or you can say it is a software application in which we can run multiple operating system, or you can say we can run multiple virtual machines. So before we run any kind of virtual machine, we need to download and install VMware Workstation Pro. If you are going to download and install any kind of VMware Workstation version, and if you are going to run any kind of virtual machine, so please make sure that you have already enabled the virtualization technology in your BIOS setting. So these are some examples that how you can enable the virtualization technology in your BIOS. This is a ASUS system. You can have a look into this part. If you are not aware how to go into BIOS, so you can just get the information on Google. In my case, HP BIOS key. So you can say you need to restart your system and press F10 to open the BIOS setup utility. Please make sure if your F10 is function key, and if it is not working, so please hold Fn and you can press F10. I hope you will get your BIOS setup. Please make sure you are enabling the virtualization technology in on format. You can have a look. In my case, there are two options. So I have already enabled. So you can just go to the official VMware website and you can download the VMware Workstation Pro for Windows. If you are having any Linux operating system, you can also download and you will get the bundle file. In my case, I am having Windows 11, so I will download it. But as you can see that on my screen right now, I have already downloaded this application. So now I am not downloading this application. So how we can install VMware Workstation Pro? So I'm just going to the download and I will just run it as an administrator. If you have any kind of pop-up on your Windows machine, please make sure you are clicking yes. Okay, so now you are getting the new pop-up window from the VMware Workstation Pro setup, and it is a welcome screen. So you can see that this is a welcome to the VMware Workstation Pro setup wizard. You can click on next. End user license agreement. So yes, I'm accepting the terms and the condition and the license agreement as well. I will click on next. Now you can see that the install Windows hypervisor automatically. So yep, you can do that. You can click on that checkbox and click on next. This is only for the setting for Windows feature compatibility. So it will be Windows hypervisor platform which will be automatically downloaded, and then you can click next. Now it is a next pop-up, and that is a custom setup. So you can click on enhance keyboard driver, but yeah, please make sure the reboot will be required in this setting, and you can add the VMware Workstation console tools into the system path as well. And this is an installation folder, so you can have a look into that part. Click next. You will see the check for product updates on startup and join the VMware customer experience improvement program. So I don't want to check both of them, so that's why I just removed the check and I'm clicking on next. No, I don't want a desktop shortcut, but yes, I want to add in start menu program folder as well. So that's why I'm clicking on next, and it says ready to install VMware Workstation Pro, and I will click on install. So that is the last process which you need to do it. Again, please make sure it will take some time to complete the process. Well guys, this is completed the VMware Workstation Pro Setup Wizard. So you can click the finish button to exit the setup wizard, and you can also click on the license button if you want to enter the license key now. So I will strongly recommend that please do not use pirated software. I'm just entering the license key. I will click on enter. And yes, it is accepted, and you can see click the finish button to exit the setup wizard. And please make sure you must restart your system for the configuration changes made to the VMware workstation to take effect. You need to click yes to restart now, or no if you plan to manually restart later.